welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for those of you who are already subscribed. I'm Jemia and this is my YouTube channel, and today, as you already know from the title, I am filming a sleek high pony hairstyle. So we're just gonna get right into the video. So right now what I'm doing is just parting out the front section of my hair because I want a bang type thing. I don't know if that's what you call what I did, those little like two pieces in the front. I don't know what they're called, so I'm just gonna call them bangs. So right now I'm just parting out my bangs, and yeah, it's basically just a rectangle at the front of my head. Not rocket science, pretty simple. So yep. Okay, so next I am just going to brush all of my hair up into a ponytail. So basically I haven't applied any product to my hair yet. I'm just basically brushing it up and deciding how high I want it, where I want it at, and all of that. And then I'm just gonna start applying the products and sleeking it up. It's all pretty simple and self-explanatory. So the product that I'll be using to sleek my hair up is Moray's beeswax, and I'm using this product because my hair is straightened and stretched, and this works really good for straightened and stretched hair when you're trying to do like sleek hairstyles, because it doesn't revert your hair back like how Eco Styler gel, if I was to use that on my hair, it's just gonna make it curly. So when I want like a really sleek look, or I want my hair to look straight and I don't want really any waves in it or anything, I like to go for this product because it gives me that effect. So yeah, I'm just applying that all over my hair and working it in real good and brushing it up. This is really repetitive. It's not rocket science, like I already said. It's like so simple. I'm just applying hair products, brushing it in, working it in real good, and sleeking it up as I go. And then I just basically keep repeating the process until I like the outcome. I don't know if it's just me or what, but I'm giving lots of Matilda vibes, like the little black girl off of Matilda. Comment down below if y'all know who I'm talking about and if y'all see it too. I always feel like when I have my glasses on that I look like the little black girl off of Matilda. Like, I don't know, these glasses just make me feel like that. But that's another side note. I have to do my hair with my glasses on because I'm so blind. Like, I literally cannot see anything. So like for my hair to come out nice, I have to put my glasses on, and I just really feel like I look like the little girl off Matilda, especially with my hair like this, my hair all sticking up in there. Like, right here I'm trading my big brush for my toothbrush, and this step for my hair is really crucial. I have really stubborn hair when it comes to sleek ponytails, so just brushing it up with the brush alone does not do the trick for me. I have to go in and basically just pay attention to detail and use my toothbrush to really get everything sleeked up. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then I apply some Got to Be Glued, and I'm also going to use some edge booster on top of that, and this is just like the final touches. This is what's going to really sleek my hair up and make it stay, you know, like hold in place. Beeswax does a good job, but I can't use beeswax alone. I have to pair it with something else. So usually I pair it with Got to Be Glued, and I use my edge booster, and it just gets everything real sleek and nice and popping, and you know. So yeah. Now that I'm finished molding everything up, I'm just gonna spray some Pump It Up spritz on it so that it can really just stay into place and not move, not go anywhere. And then I'm gonna tie my hair down, and usually I just I do my hair at night, so I would just tie my hair down and go to sleep and wake up in the morning and take it off. And that is what I did here. I tied it down for the night, and then in the next day I woke up and I took it off, and it's gonna be nice and flat and smooth and just snatched, okay? So it is the next day, and I'm just taking everything off. I have my face beats for you guys, as you can see. Okay, I had to come and get cute for y'all because I just couldn't be on camera looking like Matilda the whole entire video. Like, I just could not do that. So this is the hair that I'll be using for the ponytail, and this is just some beauty supply store hair that I got. It's 36 inches, and it's literally $10 a pack. Like, that is a great deal, you guys. And this is like the 3rd or 4th week that I've had this hair, and it still looks pretty decent. I mean, it is tangled and all of that, but it's not matted, but it does get tangly and stuff because it's curly hair. But I feel like it lasts so long because it is curly hair, and I don't know, the look, you know, curly hair kind of looks better as it gets older. So I feel like that's why this hair has lasted me so long. But it was literally only $10 at the beauty supply store, and it is 36 inches, you guys. Like, that is great. So right now what you see me doing is just wrapping the hair around as you normally would. It's pretty simple. You wrap it around, bobby pin it in, and you just keep doing the same thing over and over again. And so right here I got to the end of the track, and I'm going to leave a little part of it pinned down, and I'm going to use that to wrap around my ponytail to cover up the tracks, basically. And I just like to do that because I feel like it makes the ponytail more secure, and it's less work instead of having to get a whole nother piece and do all of that. Like, just wrap that piece around the top and, you know, do it like that. And also, as you guys probably noticed, all I did was wrap my hair around my ponytail. I didn't braid my real hair or like put my real hair in a bun. I would suggest you guys do that. I don't know what I was thinking right here. I was just kind of doing it and not like thinking too much into it. Please put your hair in a bun or braid your hair or something like that, because my real hair was sticking out of the ponytail. Like, you could see the difference between the fake hair and my real hair, and you guys, that is just not cute. Okay, I didn't think it was gonna do that, but it ended up doing that. So that's just a tip. So right here, I'm just straightening the bang section that I have left out, and I'm just gonna straighten it real good, and I'm going to apply 2 tracks. Basically, I'm just gonna glue 2 tracks in that area and blend it with my real hair, and that is going to be the bang portion. I was debating on whether or not I wanted to add weave, because if you guys will see after I straighten it, I kind of was feeling how it looked with my natural hair, but I couldn't tell if I liked it or if I wanted to keep it like that. So I just said, just to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna add the weave pieces in, so it'll blend in or whatever. But you can just use your real hair in the front and not glue anything in if you don't want to do that. Like, I think it still looks cute. And I just tied it down so that it would lay flatter. And yeah, I'm just gonna glue those 2 pieces in the front, and that really is gonna conclude the hairstyle. Okay, and then at the end, you'll see I just wrapped a black hair tie around the top of the ponytail to give it some more height. And that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Love you.